Welcome to our trigonometry series. In this video, we are going to explore the even-odd identities. These are fundamental rules that tell us what happens when we plug a negative angle into a trigonometric function. It's all about symmetry. Before we jump into trigonometry, let's refresh what even and odd functions look like in algebra. An even function is symmetric about the y-axis. If you plug in negative x, you get the exact same original function back. The negative sign basically disappears. An odd function is symmetric about the origin. If you plug in negative x, the negative sign moves to the front, giving you the negative of the original function. In trigonometry, the input is an angle. Positive angles are measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. Negative angles are measured clockwise. So, positive theta goes up and negative theta goes down by the same amount. Let's look at cosine. On the unit circle, cosine represents the x-coordinate. Whether we rotate up by theta or down by negative theta, we land on the same vertical line. The x value hasn't changed. Because the x-coordinates are identical, cosine of negative theta equals cosine of theta. This makes cosine an even function. Now for sine. Sine represents the y-coordinate. When we rotate up, we have a positive y height. When we rotate down, we have the same height but in the negative direction. The values are opposites. So, sine of negative theta equals negative sine of theta. This makes sine an odd function. What about tangent? We know that tangent is just sine divided by cosine. If we plug in negative theta, we get negative sine on top, but positive cosine on the bottom. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. So, tangent of negative theta equals negative tangent of theta. Tangent is also an odd function. The reciprocal functions follow their partners. Secant is 1 over cosine, so it is even just like cosine. Cosecant is 1 over sine, so it is odd. And cotangent is 1 over tangent, so it is also odd. Only cosine and secant are even, all the others are odd. Here is the complete list. The even functions are on the left, cosine and secant. They absorb the negative sign. The odd functions are on the right, sine, tangent, cosecant, and cotangent. For these, the negative sign jumps out to the front. Let's apply this to some numbers. Cosine of negative 60 degrees is just cosine of 60 degrees, which is 0.5. Sine of negative 30 degrees becomes negative sine of 30 degrees, giving us negative 0.5. Tangent of negative 45 degrees becomes negative tangent of 45 degrees, which is negative 1. And secant of negative pi over 3 is just secant of pi over 3, which is 2.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.